In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add compare at price on Shopify. The compare at price is the higher original price that shows next to your current sale price. It's a great way to highlight discounts, show customers how much they're saving, and make your offers look more appealing. I'll walk you through the process step by step inside your Shopify admin, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set this up for any product in your store. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen you land on after signing in, where you can see an overview of your store's performance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different areas of your admin. From the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This is where all your items are listed, including active products, drafts, and archived products. If you have a lot of products, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you want to edit. Next, in the Products section, click on the specific product you'd like to add a compare at price for. This opens the Product Details page. Here you'll see fields for the title, description, media, pricing, inventory, and more. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct product, especially if you have similar names or multiple variants. Now, scroll down until you find the pricing section. Below the main price field, look for the compare at price field. This is separate from the main price and is specifically used to show the original or higher price that the product used to sell for. Clicking inside that field will allow you to enter a value. Enter your compare at price here. Typically, this number should be higher than your current main price to indicate a discount. For example, if your current price is $40, you might set the compare at price to $60. Make sure the price makes sense for your market and is honest and accurate, as this helps build trust with customers. Once you've entered the compare at price, scroll up or down to locate the Save button, usually in the top or bottom right corner of the page, and click Save. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your changes won't be applied to the live store. After saving, your product page will now display both the original compare at price and the new sale price.